Miracle Baby is a singer, stand-up comedian, TV presenter, and a songwriter. His real name is Peter Mwangi. He was born and raised in Dendero, Kiambu County. He went to Dendero Primary School. After finishing class 8, he ran away from home and became a chokora at Wangige Market. He stayed in Wangige Market as a chokora for 2 years. After 2 years, he was taken by someone and he was taken to a children's home where he went to high school. And he stated in one of his interviews that he went to 7 different high schools because of indiscipline. And facts about Miracle Baby: he washed bodies, corpse in a mortuary. He sold stones. He worked as a tout. He writes Mugithi songs for artists. He said that one of the person he writes for is DJ Fatzo and others. He went for auditions at Central Comedy in Oro, where he went for the audition for 7 months without giving up. And at least after 7 months, he was given an opportunity to present his comedy. While in Central Comedy, him and his childhood friends, they formed Sailors in the year 2019, and they released their first song, Wamlambez, and the song was a hit. The group Sailors have released many songs, and one of the songs, some of the songs is Pekejeng, Kumbe Machin, Wainame, Wakiridho, and many other songs. He met Katelo at Central Comedy, and they came up with Rieng Radio, where they present, they are the presenters of the Rieng Radio. He is a TV presenter at Inoro TV, where he hosts a reggae show by the name Werekererie. And Miracle Baby is an example of your situation does not define you. No matter where you came from, no matter what you did, as you have seen, Miracle Baby was a chokora, and he was indisciplined. He went to 7 different high schools. However, that does not define you. And your future is bigger than your past. And God is not from your village. So God will always bless someone, no matter your situation, no matter where you came from. And as you can see, he is an example that truly God is faithful. You can see he had a troublesome childhood. However, now he's doing so well. He's a songwriter, stand-up comedian, singer, and he's a TV presenter. He hosts the show at Inoro. And you can see he's doing so well. And his situation then did not or does not define him now. And that should encourage you that no matter what, God is faithful and God is going to bless you no matter where you came from, no matter your situation. And that is all for Miracle Baby. We hope that the group Sailors are going to continue releasing songs, and we wish him all the best.